Rainforest Cafe, now serving breakfast. Rainforest Cafe, a wild place to shop and eat. So we are here at Animal Kingdom in front of the Rainforest Cafe. So we went ahead and set up a reservation, and we're gonna go inside and we're gonna check the place out and we're gonna have breakfast, and we invite you to come along. What's that? What do we got? The menu? Oh yeah, check that out. The menu. Look at that frog up there. That is funny. And over here is the breakfast menu.
That's good grub in here, man. Good grub. The Viper's the best.
All right, they said the Viper's the best. Pie of the Viper, there it is. Mexican style breakfast pizza, salsa, scrambled eggs, tomato, spicy, sweet, green, and Pablo peppers, cilantro, cheddar, mozzarella cheese. Oh my gosh, that's right up my alley. What will they think of next? Right, Frog? What will they think of next? This is our first time at the Rainforest Cafe outside of Animal Kingdom. We've been to the one that's in Disney Springs, and I did a video on that. I'll go ahead and I'll put a link to that in the description. Check out the frog. Hey Froggy, how you doing? Rainforest Cafe. Yeah, it's cool. There's the entrance right there. Our table's ready. Time to go in. Oh, this is a smoke-free environment. That's nice. Look at the chairs. Zebra butts. There's a duck. Donald Duck butt. Them chairs are cool. This is the convenience bar. The immediate seating and foam menu available at the bar. Oh yeah, they also have a store. I want to check out the elephant. That's where you check in. Cool fish tanks.
Wow.
There goes fish. Wow, it's really cool in here. Look at the elephant. This place is huge.
Have you been here before?
Not in this location. This is our first time.
We're the world's largest. Goes back to where the tigers are way back then.
Oh, wow. It's huge. All right.
Feel free to get up and roam around if you want to. Take some more pictures of
Okay.
tigers and elephants in the back.
All right.
The safari guide will be right back here.
Sure. Well, thank you. It's real dark in here, so it's hard to see, but wow, look at that waterfall right there. Little monkey up there. They got a whole back end here. They're not even using it right now. Fish tanks all over. It's kind of cool if you're sitting next to a fish tank, you get to see fish. How often do you get to do that, you know? Coral in there. Oh, look at that fish. Oh man. Yeah. And then over here, the pride of the forest right there. Macaws cawing at me. How cool. Oh, look. He was just moving. Look at him. He's moving. Hi, monkey. That's cool. Look at that fish tank. Huge. Got an elephant over here moving around. Love the realism that it gives you. You know, that steam coming up, the movement and all that.
The ears start moving, the trunk starts moving, everything.
That is cool.
The smoke also gives that little, that's a new addition.
Oh, it is? Oh, it's nice. I like that. Life in the rainforest. I got the pie of the viper. That's what that is.
That looks fantastic.
Yeah, and I had them add sausage to it.
Oh, okay. And
Yeah.
I got a very nice omelet there.
Oh yeah, nice omelet there. That's ham and cheddar
And bacon.
and bacon.
Yeah.
So on that omelet, you picked 3 items. One of them was cheddar, one was bacon,
And one was
and one was ham.
Yeah.
Nice, and nice potatoes too.
Yeah.
Another storm in the rainforest. Oh, look at that gorilla over there. In the distance, it looks like it's raining. Time to go in the gift shop?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that was a wonderful meal. Now it's time to shop. Oh, that's a cute little car, huh? That's what they want for it. Well, what are these, eggs? Dinosaur eggs. That's what they want for them. A little football. Get your toy animals here. Oh, you get a bag full of them. Wow. That's what a bag of toy animals will cost you. About 17 bucks, looks like. Snakes. Oh, your Rainforest mug. How cool is that? Rainforest Cafe. That is cool. What do they want for it? That ain't bad. It's like 12 bucks. Here's a tumbler. Oh, the lid's missing on this one. There's a lid on this one. This tumbler's $24. Rainforest Cafe. Oh, look at these nice mugs. Wow, these are big. Look at the size of that mug. Cool graphics. And that's what they want for it. Only 15. Not bad. And they got other styles. Oh, the frog one's pretty cool too, huh? Elephant. Get your Rainforest hat right here. 25 bucks. We do Rainforest Cafe Orlando. The hoodie. Oh, here's some hanging monkeys. Wild Republic. Wild. 25 bucks for one of them. Nice stuffed toys here, I'll tell you. There's a lot of them too. Look at these guys. What's up with that? Pillows. Oh, the green frog. He's only 10 bucks. What is that? T-Rex. Oh, it's a T-Rex egg. I see the T-Rex is in there. You can see them. Oh, look at the swaddle babies. $25. 25 for your swaddle baby. It's cute. Different ones down here too. Jurassic Park stuff. Wow. It's only 20 bucks for this huge container here. There's 238 pieces. This is an earth-friendly toy. Oh. And he's 35. Isn't he cool? Looks cool. Wild Republic. 70 bucks for him. He's pretty big.
Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome Deanna Safari 4. Deanna Safari 4, please purchase from Elephant.
40 bucks for the orangutan. Isn't he cool?
You did no camera?
Just the safari camera I was looking for. This is my happy place. I try to make everywhere I go my happy place. Wild place to shop and eat. 30 wild years. Isn't that cool? They've been around a while. Rainforest Cafe. So much fun. Love coming here. Love checking out their merch. Having a meal. There's such great food. Oh, that was such a great breakfast. Really loved it. They also have an alligator out front, just like the one in Disney Springs. Only this guy's bigger, greener. He looks happier. Well, hopefully you had a fun time checking out the Rainforest Cafe here outside of Animal Kingdom. We sure had a great time going in there, having a great meal, checking out the store, and showing it to you guys. I love doing that. I just want to say thanks for coming along. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit subscribe. Go ahead and give me a like, and we'll see you again on the next one. Take care. Oh yeah. Rainforest Cafe right there.